Okay, so I just did that video of the Swiss champ XAVT, and I wanted to show a comparison of the Swiss champ XLT, and the Swiss champ XAVT size-wise. So here we have the Swiss champ. Here we have the Swiss champ XLT. As you can see, it's a bit bigger, not too much bigger. If I put it behind, you can sort of see. Yeah, there you go. And then, if you remember, the XAVT, so I'll put them one on top of the other. So you can really see how much larger the XAVT is than the regular Swiss champ, and the Swiss champ XLT is in the middle. I still have to do a video about the XLT, and that will be coming up fairly soon. So see you next time.